Hey guys, what's up? So, Appetite here, and today I'm showing you guys the top best jailbreak tweaks for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called DocSearch, and what this tweak does as a browser search bar to the dock. So, search the web from your home screen. Like I said, as a search bar to the dock on the home screen. You can be using search the web as websites and so on. Also works perfectly with the user's default browser choice, such as Chrome or Edge. Does not support iPad or Floating Dots for now. This tweak is called analog. Also, there's another tweak called do a barrel wall. But this tweak analog, it's an analog clock on the lock screen. So it supports iOS 14 and up, iPad, and iPhone. This is called Android bar. It brings Android's navigation bar to iOS. So you have home button, quick actions. Brings a curved screen effect from Android devices to iOS devices. Disable system swipe gesture. Long press on the bar to collapse into a small window, which can then tap to bring the full-size bar. This tweak is called GSCommon bits and pieces, used by Jinsu's tweets. This tweak is called Recents. Quickly access your recent apps. Supports iOS 14 to iOS 15. Tweets is jailbreak detection tweets called Hestia. It's been updated since February of 2022. It's not too long ago, like 2 months ago, but it's a global jailbreak detection bypass. Does a lot, pretty much. Like, you have a lot to configure in here, and hopefully with this you can actually get different apps and games working. It's good if your games or apps are crashing or not fully just working because it detects you have a jailbreak. And this is how hopefully you can start running the app or game without it knowing that you guys have a jailbreak. Another tweet is called Hijb Lite, and posts also jailbreak detection bypass. Posts hide your jailbreak. And this is the original one, Hijb. And like I said, it's another hide your jailbreak detection. So disables your tweets and all that stuff. This tweak is called KB Pro, select copy and paste. Supports iOS 14 and 15. It's a select copy and paste actions to the bottom of the keyboard. This tweak is called Harbor, and OS ETS style dock redesigned for touchscreens. And then you guys do have all the Harbor 3, so not yet testing iOS 14, compared with iOS 13. It's Mac OS style dock for iOS. Configure options from the settings. This is called Ana, compatible with iPhones, iPads, not compatible with iPad. So we love looking at ourselves, so we're worried about our looks. This is why I started to carry pocket mirrors, and we simply stop by mirrors, see our faces. So this is where this tweak comes in handy. So Ana actually means mirror in several languages. It's one of the most simplistic yet practical tweets you ever use. So you tap it, and it's camera grabber to the lock screen, or camera shortcut to control center, so you see yourself through the camera. This tweet is called Sydney. Customize your Apple Pay cards. So it's actually pretty cool. This tweet actually just came out. So it's by Bank 5ia. Customize your Apple Pay cards. It's on the Cherish repo. And yeah, all I want to do for customize your Apple Pay cards. Want to use a GIF? You can. You change your card numbers. It lets you customize the background picture, company logo, card numbers, and much, much more. Pretty cool. This week is called Dark Snow. It's actually a theme. So it costs $2. And yeah, pretty cool theme. This tweak is called Last Look, and AOD, always on display tweak that fuels stock and endless possibilities. So $2.49. Get a last look at your phone when you lock it. It really is a stock with endless possibilities. This tweak is a theme called Shadow 15 theme, $2, and that's what it's like. Supports iOS 9 to 15. This tweak is called Sleep Easy 2. Fall asleep with your music. Set a timer to stop your music after this certain amount of time. So yeah, put your music on for a certain amount of time. So pretty cool. There's these features right here. I also want to mention with Last Look. Did I? No, I did Last Look. Yeah, did I? Yeah, I did. Alright, so with Last Look, Sleep Easy 2, and Blue Finder, which you can tweak them out right now, adds a shortcuts action for each tweak. Use Siri to control the tweets to change settings. So pretty cool. And this tweak is called Blue Finder. Find your iPhone using your Bluetooth devices, then search for your phone again. If you lost your phone and you know it's in your house, in your bed, your bag, you just can't find it, you You turn any of your Bluetooth devices 2 times in a row or more, and your phone will start ringing, vibrating, and flashing. The only condition is for it to work is that your phone has to be Bluetooth enabled. It will work even if you're in silent mode or do not disturb mode. So as long as your device is in Bluetooth mode, it will work. It works with every Bluetooth device that has been previously paired with your phone, but you can also restrict the charging devices only. So you're going with your AirPods, you can. Number of repetitions needed to trigger this alert can figure up to 5. If you have alert option, ringing, vibration, flash can be disabled in sense. There's an option to play the ringing crescendo so that it won't hurt your ears if it's right next to you. So yeah, pretty cool. Coming with iOS 11 through iOS 14. This is actually a pretty dope tweak. So it supports iOS 11 and 14.8, iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Obviously, jailbreak is required. And there's 2 videos you guys can watch to see how it works.